Hi Taurians, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are back with your October 2020 readings this time, and hope you will like it. And reach me for your personalized consultation on 918448901791. You can also email me on blossomlighttarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website for more information and interesting facts about tarot on www.blossomlighttarot.com. So let's get ahead and see what are the energies of the month of October 2020. This is a generic reading. We're going to cover, every area possible of your life, and the love relationship reading will be a different reading, separate reading. Post I do all the signs for October 2020. So after that I'll start doing your relationship readings for each and every sign. So let's get ahead. The very first card talks about inner child. Oh my god. So I think that playfulness, that childishness is something which you need to focus on now. There is something which is very beautiful happening here. Why and how this beautiful thing is happening? Because now whatever you've missed in life, whatever you've not been able to do in life for a long time, you're going to explore all those habits, all those beautiful games. You're getting some time for yourself finally. So there was a stress which was working like a burden on your head for a very long time. I think that stress is just shedding it off now. So see, the inner child is coming out now. You will have some time to pamper your inner child very soon in the month of October 2020. That's a wonderful thing. What is happening in the first week? What is happening in the second week? What is happening in the third week? My God! And what is happening in the fourth week? I will have to tell you that this month is going to be a very remarkable month in 2020 for you, and I will tell you the reason also why. For that you'll have to watch the entire reading. Why? Because new beginnings are happening. Your mental clarity is coming your way. You're cutting yourself from irrelevant people, irrelevant values, irrelevant things. A lot more is happening. So let's start with the very first week for you, which is a week of the lovers. So your relationship which was hidden till now, it was not in light and was not known to a lot more, a lot of people. That's coming out. Someone will see you guys together, and then he will spread the news all over in the family, or maybe in the society. Oh my god, this guy is dating this person. But I don't think you're going to protect it. Maybe you will give some excuses that I was with this person because of XYZ reason, but then you are trying to still hide it. Why? You don't want to make it public. Why so? See, everything is hidden. Even though there is fire, you're trying to hide. You're trying to just protect it. That protective shield what you've prepared around you. Very aggressive. You are very aggressive to hide this from people because you don't want people to know about it as of now. Maybe the situation, the time is not right. It is up to you. Work front, you will be part of what? You will be part of a few creative projects where your creativity will be challenged. You will have an opportunity to be more creative in your projects. You will have that open hand, free hand, where you can apply your learnings, and you can make a different outcome out of the project. So this is what you're doing. So first week is very positive. Do not hide your talent. You have a lot of talent. You don't have to hide anything. You have a lot of aggression also in you. You have to use that to the max to be visible in front of the right people. Taurians, your partner is also very I just saw that thing in the card, so I thought I'll tell you that your partner is someone who's a fire sign, someone who's full of aggression, a little short-tempered also, I will say. That's there what I see in the cards. But then he's very well, I will say he's a fashion lover, and then he likes dressing up and then going out and having some fun. That's kind of energies I see. So dressing up is something which is their favorite part, favorite hobby, I will say. They really like this, getting dressed up. So that's something, a trait for your partners. Okay. Second week is what? Second week is about financial gains. Not very big gains, very drastic gains. No, these are short-term investments which you had done, and you are getting outcome of that in the second week. So financially, second week is going to be wonderful for you. So be happy with that. Okay, and what all is happening with that happiness, with finance? There's a soulmate connection coming your way. Maybe you guys are staying together already, and that is giving you a lot of happiness. And this is why you're able to focus on your work, focus on your life a little more than what you used to do in past. That's very much there. Live-in relationship vibrations are coming very strongly from these cards. Also, need of emotions, craving of emotions is very much there in these cards. So at work front also, you might be connected with your colleagues emotionally. You will understand their emotional needs, and you will try to protect them also emotionally. So that's very much there in the cards. That looks beautiful for you guys. And stability financially is something which is also there in your card. So that is another thing, another point what I want to mention here. Person who is very focused, very aggressive in the very first week, moving with the same energies to the second week, having a very beautiful energy of protecting himself, getting financial benefits, protecting his colleagues, protecting his partner emotionally. This person is away from home, for sure. And with these energies, when the person is entering in the third week, there's a new start which is coming your way. It is a financial start. Maybe you're starting a new employment in the third week of October, or there's a new business you're going to get into. There's a new beginning, new regeneration, or maybe new what do we call, new renovation you're doing at your workplace. That's something which is there. But there is something new happening, a new start is coming your way when it comes to work. Most of you will have a opportunity work related, where either you get a new job or new assignment where you will have some financial benefits also. Financially, this month is really good, I must say that. And you will anyways emerge like a winner in this month. So people who used to criticize you, people who said, oh, you can't do this, or this is not for you, and stuff like that, I want to show you this card. See, this person has won the battle. So third week is getting you the results of the battle you were fighting for so long, and then you will emerge like a winner. You will have your upper hand in a lot of things, Taurians. So that's something which is wonderful about your energies. Remember, initially when we started the reading, I told you that you will have to stay back there with me till the end, because you have a lot of things happening, a lot of positive things happening, Taurians, in this month for you. So October is bringing positivity your way. Also, had you invested in something for a long time back, and you thought you left it just like that, oh, maybe one fine day, maybe whenever I will need it, I will use it. That investment is reaping its benefits now. You can reap it now. You're going to have benefits in the last week, financial benefits. Suddenly something gets you a good value. So something, maybe you had bought a property long time back thinking, oh, it is just an investment. Suddenly the high prices of that property will hike just like that, and then you will be surprised at how can this property be so I could have got so much benefit out of it. So that is happening with you. And last week is getting you what? Last week is getting you clarity of thoughts, clarity of mind, clarity in a lot of aspects. Like, you, people who were not of any use for you, you're cutting your cords from them. People who had nothing to do with your life and they were still passing judgments, you are getting away from them. People and values and habits which were not serving anything good to you, Taurians, you are getting away from them also. So cutting your cords from irrelevant people and irrelevant situation, irrelevant values, irrelevant surroundings is something which is on the cards for you, Taurians. You can feel happy about it, because your life is moving towards, sailing towards the right direction now. You're emerging like a winner now. So there's nothing to be worried about. I am pulling the outcome card for you, very first thing. And second thing is, what I am doing is, I am going to, my purpose of using two decks to clarify your life now in this month is that most of the readings what I have done with these two cards is, these two decks is, they very well connect with each other. They very well are talking to each other, these decks are. So I want to see this time what message is it giving to you. No two flowers are the same, but then they have the value, their own values. So in a relationship, if your partner was not doing well with you, and then you think, oh, he's not good, or he's bad, kind of judgments you were passing, remember that Just because the person was not compatible with you, it does not mean the person was bad. It is because that your compatibilities did not match. So it is not your fault, it is not her or his fault, it is the situation. Every person has its own values and own those personality types, those values in life, those what do we call they're important, they have their own importance, right? So just value that and move on in a relationship. Okay. Also, in relationship area, there are few red flags you can already see in your life. There are few red flags you are seeing now in your life. I want to show you this card. So do not fall for something which you don't deserve, and you should not be with. It is better to wait for some time rather than getting into something which is not worth it. So the suggestion is, so that's it. Take care, take good care of yourself, be happy, be nice to people. The month is going to be very, very rocking kind of a month for you, so enjoy it to the most. Take care and good luck to you.